I'm wondering, since there's no more love between my husband and I, we are married for over 30 years, and we have not lived together except for the first few months of our marriage. But also I'm wondering, would there be any, like, if something happened to me, would he be entitled to any of my Social Security or vice versa? And how could we get out of this farce?
Well, to begin with, if you're still married and one of you passes away, you know, it's possible to get spousal benefits off of a Social Security off of your spouse. And really, to get out of it, you know, file for divorce. I mean, that's the remedy you have to try to break away from each other and, you know, to officially divorce and to end the marriage. And it sounds like with a couple that's been separated for 30 years, you might be able to do it by agreement, you know, a non-contested divorce where you just reach an agreement and you have it written up and you send it over to the judge and he can approve it and adopt that as part of the divorce order.
And that marriage certificate is, I would imagine, Chris, would still hold up in terms of, you know, I guess on paper, if someone's still legally married, you know, the court doesn't have a way to recognize whether if they live together or anything like that, correct?
That's correct. I mean, even if you've been separated for 30 years, if you're married, it's just like you've lived together as far as the law is concerned. On, you know, one spouse could make a claim on the other spouse's estate if one of them were to pass away, because there are certain things that the law provides that if you pass away, your spouse has a right to claim certain things from your estate. So, you know, that's how that would work.